The RA plugin includes rib analysis and spine analysis. The rib analysis can automatically remove the clavicle and scapula, only display the rib VR, assist in extracting the location of rib abnormalities such as fractures and bone destruction, and display a rib straightening diagram. The spine analysis can classify and estimate the degree of spinal compression based on the Genent semi-quantitative method. Now, I will demonstrate and explain how we can do that. First, in the patient management checklist, select the case needs to be analyzed, select the bone sequence of a complete rib scan in the sequence list below. Click the right mouse button on the drop-down menu and select RA in the advanced application to enter the analysis interface. You can also select Rib Analysis in the function switching panel in the lower right corner to load patient information and enter the analysis interface. The system will automatically perform rib segmentation, spine segmentation, and rib lesion positioning. After completion, the left side is the view window. The upper left window automatically displays the rib VR with the clavicle and scapula removed, and uses red staining to display the automatically extracted lesion location. The system can also identify and mark partial tangent lines, enlarged images, rib straightening diagrams, rib names in MPR images. The right side is the functional toolbar. The top is patient information display, VR image position selection, scissor tools. And the bottom of the functional toolbar is the workstation general tools, among which the functions are consistent with other plugins. Please refer to other videos. If the rib scan is not complete, you can manually edit. Right-click on the name, select Rename in Sequence Manual Modification. If the rib is missing, click Rename to modify it. If you are not satisfied with the results, you can click Re-extract. If the rib extraction is missing, single-point extraction rib, and multi-point extraction rib can be used to extract the unidentified rib. If the rib extraction is incomplete, click the green triangle of the rib mark, and then use Extend Center Line to extract the rib completely. You can also use Edit Center Line to adjust the center point, so that it is at the center of the rib. Click Delete Ribs, and then click the unnecessary ribs to delete. The automatically extracted rib lesion location will be displayed in the lesion list of the function toolbar, corresponding to the red triangle marked in the rib straightening image, and this list can be added and deleted lesions. To determine the lesions, the yellow staining on the MPR and rib tomography images should be removed using the opacity function first. Then double-click to enlarge the cross-sectional images. Check the rib lesion locations automatically identified by the system one by one. Determine and modify the lesion types, which are respectively fresh fracture, old fracture, and bone destruction. For example, considering the bone damage here, the left mouse click to modify the bone destruction can be deleted normally, and so on. If there is an unrecognized lesion, click Extract Lesion and then click the lesion location to extract the lesion to the list. Click Vertebra Analysis. The vertebrae will display different colors and be arranged in the spine list. The sagittal view at the upper left corner will display the vertebrae name, the height of the anterior, middle, and posterior edges of the vertebrae, and CT value to help us judge the degree of vertebral compression. The system will automatically calculate the vertebral height reduction value. If the height of the vertebral body is reduced by less than 20%, it is a normal vertebral body, and the name of the vertebral body is shown in green. If 20% to 25%, the vertebral body is slightly compressed, and the name is yellow. If 25% to 40%, the vertebral body is moderately compressed, and the name is orange. If more than 40%, the body weight is compressed, and the name is red. The vertebrae list can be added, modified, and deleted. Click Create New Tissue, select the name of the missing vertebrae in the pop-up box, click OK, and use the following tools to extract the vertebrae. In the left view area. Here, if an incorrect vertebral body is identified, you can use the corresponding tool to modify it, and the color of the vertebra name will be automatically adjusted with the staining range. Incomplete vertebral bodies can also be removed. Some operations can be undone or reset. After completion, you can click Generate Report to generate a rib analysis image report. The list of rib lesions and spinal lesions will be displayed respectively in the report for clinician's reference. This is all the information of rib analysis. Thank you for watching.